The city. What does it mean to you? Bright lights, new people, exciting adventures? Or maybe it's last-minute meetings, searching for a table, never-ending traffic jams. Despite it all, we love our cities. But now it's time to imagine smart cities and smart living. You start your journey home after a long day. Your car plays your favorite tune. Maybe you're a little hungry. Places to eat on your route home pop up on the screen. Your tired eyes don't see that kitten in the road. But your vehicle knows when to hit the brakes. And you're back on your way with your new little friend. This isn't just your vehicle. This is your meeting room, your nursery, your library, your kitchen, your wardrobe. Maybe it takes you to your first date. You can even have your packages delivered right to its doors, because this is your home away from home. Is that just a car key in your hand? What if you could use it to jump on a metro on the other side of the world? What if you could use it to rent a bike and start writing your next adventure? Who knows what doors it could open for you? Smart cities mean connections. That's a lot of connections. Wouldn't it be great if you could all fit in the same vehicle and feel that match day buzz together? Maybe not, but when TOG vehicles connect, you can share your passion like they're sitting right there with you. This is what we call smart living solutions for smart cities. And it's what our cities deserve.